Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an item to your shopping cart on the Gomez application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the shop button down below, which is the third option. Select a category, a subcategory, and then narrow down your search by applying filters to find the most suitable product according to your preferences. Then scroll down, tap on quick purchase, select your size, then tap on the shopping cart button down below in the right side corner, enter a promotional code if you have any, then click on the order button down below. Go to the checkout section, and then you should add your details and including your address. Select the delivery method, and then you should select the payment method. Then enter your card number and all the relevant information, and then you can finalize the process of ordering the product. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.